How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we're going to be going over our K-Force 55 TIR. When you get your unit out of the box, you'll have your light bar running to your connection cables. Then you'll notice a connector here, and that's to be used with our optional Supreme control. And then you'll have your main power cables, and then you have your aux cable here to hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting that you can control off of your Supreme control. And then we have our standard Supreme control here, and then we have our handheld Supreme. Now today I am going to be using our standard version, and then I'll hop back over and show you the functions of our handheld. So when you go to hook your light bar up using our Supreme control, you'll simply plug your connector into your Supreme control box, and then I went ahead and ran my power cables, so my red cable to my positive connection and my black cable to my negative connection. And then I did bring a standard amber version with me, and you'll see all of our full-size light bars come standard with 2 white takedowns, 2 white alleys, and a standard traffic advisor. But we do offer these light bars in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, and alternating color combinations. And we even have our Customize a Light Bar tool where you can lay out exactly what colors you want in your light bar as well. So you'll see on your Supreme control box that you have your slide switch here. So the first position will activate the back of your light bar. The second position will activate the front of your light bar, and the third position will activate your light bar in 360 mode. So you can easily access those 3 modes off of your slide switch. And then you have your pattern button here, so you can cycle through your different flash patterns. You can find a pattern you'd like. And then this light bar has memory recall, so you can turn your light bar off and back on, and it will remember the last pattern it was on. And you can also program a different flash pattern for each different mode. So you can go back to your back mode, you can program a pattern here, and same thing for your front mode. So your light bar will remember up to 3 different flash patterns. And then you also have a couple flash pattern shortcuts here. So if you hold your pattern button down for 3 seconds, your light bar will go to steady burn. And if you hold your pattern button down for 5 seconds, your light bar will activate its random flash pattern mode. So you can easily access those 2 modes off of your flash pattern switch. Now let's go over your takedown, alley, and cruise function. So here you have your takedown, alley, and cruise functions. Now you'll see when these buttons are activated, those modules will go steady burn, and these do operate independently of your light bar, whether your light bar is flashing or not. And then when these buttons are deactivated, you'll see those modules will go back to flashing with your light bar. Now we do offer a multicolor upgrade here for our takedowns and alleys, to where when these modules are flashing with your light bar, they will flash the warning color ordered, and then when you activate these buttons, they will still go steady burn white. So you can remember that you have that as an option as well. Now let's go over your traffic advisor and your aux function. So I went ahead and turned my light bar around here to show you the traffic advising feature. Now our full-size light bars do come standard with an amber traffic advisor, and we have a multicolor upgrade to where those modules can flash the warning light bar color ordered, and then they will go amber when you activate your traffic advisor. And then you'll see on your Supreme control that you can go center out, you can go right left, and left right, which you can easily access off of your Supreme control. And then finally you have your aux button here to activate up to 10 amps of additional lighting all off of your Supreme control box. So you'll see the main difference with our handheld Supreme control box is its more compact handheld design. And then you'll see that the slide switch is replaced with 3 buttons up here, but you still have your back mode, your front mode, and your 360 mode. And then you have your pattern changer, you have your takedown button, your alley button, you have your traffic advising features, and then you have your cruise mode. And then you also have your aux button here to hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting all off of your Supreme control box. When it comes to the housing of your light bar, you'll notice the top cover fully encapsulates the base of the light bar for a really solid seal. And then you'll notice underneath your light bar that you have extra drainage holes for even more moisture protection. And then you'll see that your included light bar feet here are adjustable along the slide track if you need to adjust for your vehicle. And then you'll see that we have our universal gutter mount brackets as an option, and we also have vehicle specific gutter mount brackets. And then we have our permanent mount stud brackets as an option, and these will use the existing hardware from your light bar feet to mount to your light bar like so, and you'll use 4 permanent mount stud brackets with this light bar. And then we also have our headache rack bracket, which you can mount your light bar to, and then sandwich on your headache rack like so. So that covers all of the features of our K-Force 55 TIR. Make sure to check out our interactive player right below our product pictures, and also our flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with this unit. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.